Rudolph the red, no. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows like a light bulb. All the other reindeers used to call him names like Pinocchio, and they laughed. Poor Rudolph. Joined in any reindeer game like hopscotch. One night it happened.
This is her version.
Then one
foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeers laughed him. Then they shouted out with yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in my history like George